and I have such tiny little eyes. They kind of look like little buttholes. I hate them. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to apply false lashes. Now, I had a big problem applying false lashes for the longest time. I felt like I could never get them on properly. Felt like I always had my inner corner just flapping away in the wind, and it was just not a cute look. So I kept practicing and practicing, and to be honest with you, that's really all it takes is a little bit of practice. So I am going to be sharing with you how to apply false lashes and do a little lash haul. So if you want to know some tips on how to apply false lashes the easiest way possible and see some of my favorite lashes, keep on watching. So I'm gonna start this whole thing off with my favorite lashes that I own. At this point, I've accumulated a ton of different lashes, but I do have a few pairs that are absolutely my favorite that always go on beautifully every single time. So I have this huge bag here. It's a Sephora bag that I just filled with lashes that I love. So one of my first lashes that I really love, I got in California, are the Lilly lashes in Miami. These guys are so beautiful, so wispy. They just look gorgeous on the eyes. They are a little bit fuller and the band is a little bit thicker. So for me, at the beginning, trying to use a big thick band was impossible. Now I'm able to use any band and I could just get them on pretty much in one snap and I'm good. But these were so hard to put on at first, but I love the way they look. They are so beautiful, so wispy, so pretty. They kind of look like eyelash extensions instead of being false lashes, like strips. So I really enjoy these. Now I think my favorite eyelashes of all time that I'm just obsessed with, one, they are so incredibly long that I feel like I'm literally just gonna flutter away like a little butterfly, but they're so pretty. I've worn them in so many videos and everyone always asks me what lashes I'm wearing, and they're the Cosmetics Becka Lash, and these are the 3D premium lashes. These lashes are my heart, my soul. I'm pretty sure I would give up my firstborn for these. No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. Fawn. No, I wouldn't. Ugh, they're just, there's no words for them. I love them. So this is them up close. They kind of remind me of the Queen Bee lashes from Coco Lashes. They're super wispy and they just look very separated when you put them on. These are probably going to be the lashes that I'm going to use today, but let's go through the rest of the bag and really make sure which ones I want to use. The rest of the bag is pretty much completely filled with House of Lashes lashes. I got sent a bunch of these lashes and it was like Christmas for me. They sent me the most beautiful lashes. The only ones they didn't send me that I'm kind of like, dang, I really want to get my hands on those and I'm probably gonna buy them any day now, are the Iconic Lites. So I have the Iconics here, and everyone who watches Desi Perkins, I mean, who doesn't watch her? She's amazing. Everyone who watches her knows that these were like her holy grail lashes in the beginning. And then Iconic Lites came out and she was like, peace out Iconics, I'm all Iconic Lite now. So I really want to try the Iconic Lites. Haven't tried them yet. I actually haven't even tried the Iconics yet, but they look so pretty, the light version, and I want them so bad. But out of all of the lashes that House of Lashes sent me, I have 3 that I've been using regularly that I've been in love with. And the first one is the Bambi lash, and I love using these lashes that are super wispy. They're very separated. They kind of remind me of a MAC lash or the Salon Perfect lashes. I'll put the names up here. I just can't remember their numbers, but they remind me of those, and these are great to wear when you have a really bright look going on and you want your eyeshadow to really pop through the lashes. This is an amazing lash for that. It just gives it a really cool editorial kind of look. My next favorites have definitely been the Allura Lites. The whole Lite collection I've been in love with. Love how thin the band is. Love how light they are on your eyelashes. There are certain lashes that can just be extremely heavy, and these are not. These are so light and so fluttery, so pretty. They are a little bit thicker at the base, which just gives for a more dramatic look. So anytime that I go out at night, if I'm going to a bar or a club, these are what I'm wearing. I love these so much. I have gotten so many compliments on these actually. Then there's the Nior Fairies. I hope I'm saying that right. Nior Fairies. These are the Nior Fairy minis. So I have really tiny eyes. I feel like my eyes are just like little speckles on my face. They are so tiny. I wish I had big Bambi eyeballs. Like, I love when people have huge eyes, and I have such tiny little eyes. They kind of look like little buttholes. I hate them. You know what? No, I don't hate my eyes, but they are very small. And since they're so small, I want them to be a little bit bigger, but I do love these because they are pretty much pre-cut. They're made for people with smaller eyes, so these are perfect for me. So lastly, I am going to talk about these just because since this is kind of like a haul, I want to show you guys House of Lashes new lashes. These are their Faux Mink lashes. They sent me 3 of them, 3 or 4 of them. I only have 3 here, but they sent me 3 or 4 of them, and these are how they look. They are definitely layered, so they do look 3D. So basically that means that there is a lash that's like this, and then there's a lash a little bit under it that is also sticking out. So I guess it just makes it a little more dimensional. But these look really, really nice. I've yet to try them, so I am super excited to try them. And actually, maybe I'll try one of these for the video just so you guys can see what these look like too. So I don't know what the name of these are because it's not printed on the box anywhere. I have no idea really what they are. So I will either let you know in the description box, or I will put it right here with the actual name of this specific lashes. But these are really pretty, like very, very wispy, very much my kind of lash. So I'm just gonna place them right here. Very, very wispy, very spiky. And I think for the look that I'm going for today, these are gonna be perfect. Okay, so now for how to apply lashes easily. This has been a journey for me, guys. When I first started doing makeup, I could not apply a lash to save my life. It was horrendous. Either I had like a huge gap, or I had like my inner part sticking out, or it was poking me in the eye, and I could not get it together. So basically what it was practice, to be really honest with you. That's really what everything takes. You just gotta practice, practice, practice. So I kept practicing, and I came up with a few little tips that I'm gonna let you guys know of how to apply eyelashes easy. And for this part, I am gonna go into voiceover just because it's gonna be a little hard to talk while I'm applying lashes. So into the voiceover. Alright guys, we are jumping into this quick. I'm taking my Maybelline Eye Studio Black Gel Liner, and I am tight lining my upper lash line. Next, I'm taking my eyelash curler, and I am going to make sure that I am going to squeeze that nice and tight for a few seconds, and make sure to give it a little bit of a lift just to make sure that the eyelashes blend better. Grabbing my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I love this one. This is a waterproof one. I feel like waterproof is a little bit better just to hold that curl of your lash. Once again, it's gonna let your eyelashes blend a little bit better. Now I'm grabbing the House of Lashes Posh Faux Mink lashes, and I'm measuring them to my eyes. You want to make sure you measure your eyelashes first. So grab a pair of scissors, cut off the amount that you need, and make sure that they fit better. Big tip alert, you want to bend your eyelashes to fit your eye shape, guys. Next, I'm grabbing some eyelash glue, and I'm just putting a thin amount on the lash band. You don't want to put too much. You're gonna wait a few seconds, maybe 30 or so, or an eternity, who knows. By the way, guys, please don't use sharp tweezers like I am. It's stupid. Next, we're gonna drop those puppies in from above and connect the middle first, then the outer part, and then we're gonna connect the inner part. This just ensures that your whole eye is cupped by the false lash and no part is left too far out. Then I want to squeeze them just a little bit, and we are done, and we gotta do the whole thing again. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and it taught you how to apply some false lashes easily. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!